Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging, catch use of assignment operator instead of equality operator. Branching programs, that is one that do different things if certain conditions are met, rely on if and else condition in JavaScript. The conditions sometimes take the form of testing whether a result is equal to a value. This logic is spoken in English at least if x equals y, then which can literally translate into code using the equal or assignment operator. This leads to unexpected control flow in your program. As covered in previous challenges, the assignment operator equal in JavaScript assigns a value to a variable name, and double equal and triple equal operators check for equality. The triple equal test for strict equality, meaning both value and type are the same. The code below shows assigns x to be 2, which evaluates as true. Almost every value on its own in JavaScript evaluates to true, except what are known as false values. For example, false, 0, double quotes without any spaces, that is empty string, nan, undefined, and null. We can see here an example where x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 and x equal to y. It's an assignment, not equality check. This code block will run for any value of y unless y were originally set to false value. So if we have a truthy value for y, it will always run. Else this code block is what should run but won't in this example. Task for this challenge: fix the condition so the program runs the right branch and the appropriate value is assigned to result. So in this case, if x equal to y, then equal, otherwise not equal. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.